right, let's take a look at the definitions in the last block of your worksheet. So let's take this off and come down here. The terms we want to define: point of discontinuity. This is a place where you'd have to pick up the pencil in your graph. So a point of discontinuity is going to occur wherever we have a break in the line. And we're not using formal definitions here, we're using kid-friendly. It's going to happen where there are exclusions from the domain. There are other places we'll have discontinuities, like in a piecewise function that has a step in it, but we haven't really talked about those. So our points of discontinuity are going to happen at our asymptotes. And our points of discontinuity, in particular, from the point of view of the domain, it's going to occur at our asymptote that breaks in the x, so at our vertical asymptote. And it's going to occur where we have holes in the graph, our little point discontinuities. The x-intercept are going to be our values that touch the x-axis. So these are going to be our y equals 0, where the graph touches or crosses the x-axis. Our y-intercept, which you will also need to know for the last question on the other side, this is going to occur wherever x equals 0. So where the graph, and you remember this from doing all your linear equations, y equals mx plus b linear equation, this occurs at b. So where the graph touches or crosses, let's back that up. The y-axis. So those are your definitions. Make sure you know them. Make sure that you can use them. And that's all.